Hello and welcome. Today we're diving deep into how Alpine Property Management can help you build your investment empire right here in Kansas City. Whether you're new to property investment or looking to expand your portfolio, Alpine offers a comprehensive range of services designed to maximize your returns and minimize your stress. So let's explore how partnering with Alpine can transform your investment strategy and lead to substantial growth in your real estate empire. Firstly, at the heart of Alpine's services is our property management expertise. Managing a property effectively requires far more than just collecting rent and handling maintenance. It requires a strategic approach tailored to each property's specific needs. Alpine excels in optimizing every aspect of property management, from tenant screening and lease management to maintenance and compliance with local laws. We understand that each property is an integral part of your investment portfolio, and we treat it as such, ensuring that it performs at its best. A critical component of our management strategy is tenant relations. Alpine understands that the success of your properties largely depends on the quality of tenants occupying them. We employ rigorous screening processes to ensure that your tenants are reliable and financially stable, which leads to lower turnover rates and consistent rental income. Moreover, we build strong relationships with tenants through responsive communication and efficient service, ensuring that they are satisfied and more likely to renew their leases, which contributes to the stability of your rental income. Additionally, for those looking to sell, Alpine's We Buy Houses program offers a quick, straightforward solution. If you're considering divesting from a property or need to liquidate quickly, Alpine can purchase your property directly. This service is designed for investors who value ease and speed, providing a hassle-free way to sell properties without the need for traditional listings, showings, and negotiations. We offer fair prices and handle all the details, making the selling process as smooth as possible. Now, let's talk about the importance of maintenance and upgrades. Alpine doesn't just maintain your properties, we improve them. Regular maintenance is crucial to preserving the value of your investments, but strategic upgrades can significantly enhance property value and attract higher quality tenants. Alpine provides expert recommendations on renovations and improvements that can offer the best return on investment, from cosmetic updates to major overhauls. One key aspect of our comprehensive approach is our focus on financial analytics and performance monitoring. Alpine provides detailed financial reports and performance analyses for each property in your portfolio. This is crucial for tracking profitability, identifying cost-saving opportunities, and making informed decisions about potential renovations or repositionings. Our financial experts ensure that you understand every aspect of your investment's performance, from occupancy rates and cash flow to capital expenditures. Moreover, risk management plays a pivotal role in maintaining and growing a real estate investment portfolio. Alpine proactively addresses risks associated with property ownership and leasing. We stay updated on all changes to local housing laws and regulations to ensure that your properties are always in compliance, thereby avoiding potential legal issues and fines. Additionally, our team conducts regular property inspections and follows a strict maintenance schedule, which helps in early detection and mitigation of potential issues before they become costly problems. We also understand the importance of market positioning and branding in the success of your properties. Alpine employs sophisticated marketing strategies that highlight the unique features and benefits of each property, targeting the right demographic and ensuring high visibility in the market. Our marketing efforts include online listings, virtual tours, and social media promotion, all designed to attract and retain high-quality tenants. Furthermore, Alpine believes in the power of community building and tenant engagement as tools for enhancing tenant satisfaction and retention. We organize community events and initiatives that not only make the properties more appealing, but also foster a sense of community among residents. Happy, engaged tenants are more likely to renew their leases, which contributes to a stable revenue stream and reduces turnover costs. Additionally, Alpine's commitment to sustainability and green practices adds another layer of appeal to your properties. We advise on and implement energy-efficient upgrades and environmentally friendly practices that not only reduce operational costs, but also attract tenants who value sustainability. This forward-thinking approach not only enhances the desirability and competitiveness of your properties, but also aligns with broader environmental goals, making your investment future-proof. Lastly, Alpine's dedication to client service and satisfaction ensures that you have a partner in every step of your real estate journey. Our team is accessible and responsive, ready to address your concerns and provide expert advice whenever needed. We believe in building long-term relationships with our clients based on trust, transparency, and shared goals. This partnership approach is what makes Alpine not just a service provider, but a true ally in your quest to build a thriving real estate empire. In wrapping up, choosing Alpine Property Management means investing in a partnership that brings unparalleled expertise, proactive service, and strategic insights to every aspect of your real estate investments. Whether you're looking to acquire new properties, manage existing ones, or optimize the performance of your investment portfolio, Alpine is here to ensure that your real estate empire not only grows but thrives. Thank you once again for joining us today. If you're ready to harness the full potential of your real estate investments with a management partner that truly cares about your success, reach out to Alpine Property Management. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insights on building and managing your real estate investments. Together, let's make your vision of a real estate empire a reality in Kansas City. Let's grow, thrive, and succeed together with Alpine.